Good morning, class 7. This is your science lecture. We were reading unit number 8, transmission of heat. Today we will read page 106 to page 108. Now our topic is thermos flask. Thermos flask is a device which is used to keep the temperature of a substance fairly constant by reducing the transfer of heat that might take place by conduction, convection and radiation. थर्मस फ्लास्क वो डिवाइस है जिसमें हीट के लॉस को रिड्यूस किया जा सकता है. A thermos flask consists of a double wall glass bottle which has a vacuum between two walls. The inner side of walls are shiny. The mouth of bottle is closed with a cork or plastic stopper. The glass bottle is fitted into a metallic or plastic container. Heat cannot enter and leave the flask due to vacuum which check conduction and convection. The shiny surface reflects the heat waves. Anything inside the flask will remain hot or cold for a long time. Next, temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called its temperature. Temperature depends upon internal energy of molecule of a substance. When a body is cold, its molecule moves slowly. When it is heated, its molecule begin to move faster. As the molecule move, they begin to vibrate and bump into each other. In doing so, they push each other apart. That is how the change of state in a substance occurs, from solid to liquid and from liquid to gas. This also explains the expansion of solid-liquid gas on heating. Measuring temperature. How we can measure temperature? We cannot rely on our sense of touch to measure temperature of a body. If you keep your hand in cold water, then dip them in warm water. The water will feel very hot. So, in find exact temperature of a body, we use an instrument called thermometer. Thermometer consists of a thin glass tube called capillary tube, which has a white bulb at one end. The capillary tube is partially filled with mercury or alcohol, and it is sealed. There is a glass case outside the capillary tube which has a scale mark on it. When the bulb held close to the body whose temperature is to be checked, the liquid in capillary tube expand and indicate the temperature on the scale. There are different temperature scale are used. First one, Celsius scale. This is most commonly used scale. It is marked from 0 degree to 100 degree. 0 degree is the temperature at which pure ice melt, and 100 degree the temperature at which pure water boils. When the atmospheric pressure is 760 mm of mercury. Kelvin scale. This scale is used by the scientists. The temperature is measured in degree Kelvin. Its symbol is K. Its lower point is marked at -273 Celsius, which is coldest possible temperature. This is called absolute zero because it is the temperature at which movement of molecule is minimum possible. Since the movement of molecule cannot be reduced any further, the temperature cannot fall lower than this. Third one, Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale is marked from 32 Fahrenheit, the melting point of ice, to 212 Fahrenheit, the boiling point of water. There are different type of thermometer used. First one, mercury thermometer. Mercury thermometer contains mercury which expand and contract with rise and fall of temperature. The clinical thermometer is a mercury thermometer and used to measure the temperature of human body. It cannot be used to measure temperature below -39 degree because mercury solidifies at this temperature. Alcohol thermometer. Alcohol thermometer contains alcohol. It is cheap and easy to use. It can measure very low temperature because alcohol does not solidify even -115 Celsius. It is used in laboratories, in refrigerator and deep freezer. Next, temperature. The degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called its temperature. Temperature depends upon internal energy of molecule of a substance. When a body is cold, its molecule moves slowly. When it is heated, its molecule begin to move faster. As the molecule move, they begin to vibrate and bump into each other. In doing so, they push each other apart. That is how the change of state in a substance occurs, from solid to liquid and from liquid to gas. This also explains the expansion of solid-liquid gas on heating. Digital thermometer are electronic thermometer. They are compact and inexpensive and used for measuring the and displaying temperature in numeric value with great precision. In diagram this is shown. Electrical thermometer. The temperature deep inside a furnace or kiln need constant checking. Mercury or alcohol thermometer are not suitable because they cannot measure high temperature. So electrical thermometer are easy to read because they have digital display. The scale is placed well away from the temperature detector. Temperature reading can be read by computer and temperature range is from -200 degree to 1600 Celsius. Here is conversion of different temperature scale. From Fahrenheit to Celsius we can convert by the formula F-32 multiplied by 5/9. From Celsius to Fahrenheit we use formula T यानी Celsius temperature multiplied by 9/5 plus 32. For Kelvin conversion, from Kelvin to Fahrenheit we can convert by the formula Kelvin temperature -273 multiply 9/5 plus 32. Or from Kelvin to Celsius conversion we use formula K -273 degree. These are the scale conversion. At page number 108 there is a brain teaser. Search the hidden word in a puzzle. A puzzle is provided to you. You have to solve it and find the word temperature, conduction, radiation, ammeter, reflect, thermometer, convection and absorber. Okay student, now your chapter is complete. Your home task is to do reading from page 106 to 108 and learn conversion table present on page 108.